How to fix your iPhone is not showing all files on your iPhone. So if you're missing a file from the Files app on your phone, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the very first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone and then click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then press iCloud, click on See All, and then press iCloud Drive. Now make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled like this. You can also click on Mobile Data and make sure this is turned on and enabled. You can then wait a few moments for your files to sync. You can try opening up the Files app on your phone and you can check to see if you can now see the files. If it's still not working, click on Browse at the bottom of the page. Click on the back arrow and you can try checking in the iCloud Drive instead. If you still can't find your file from here, come back over to the previous window, click on My iPhone, and it may be the case that your file is in one of these individual folders. So for example, if you've downloaded something on Google Chrome, then you'll need to click on the Chrome folder and you should be able to find your missing files from here. You can also try flicking between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, and sometimes that can solve any syncing issues with your files.